Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the keys on your keyboard are printing wrong characters, then watch this video for the fix. Now first thing we need to know is whether we have a US keyboard or a UK keyboard layout or any other keyboard layout. So if the at the rate of symbol is above the 2 numeral, then it's a US keyboard. If an apostrophe or a colon is above the 2 keyboard, then it's a UK keyboard. So let's right click on the start button, go to settings, and we'll go to time and language. We'll go to language and region, and then we will check the regional format. So I have at the rate above the 2 button or the 2 key, so I will look for the English United States. If it's the apostrophe button above the 2 key, then you need to look for the United Kingdom. And then we will also check whether multilingual text suggestions are in the off position, and we will move towards language and region. All right, we will check whether the English language is, or the language that you are typing with is the preferred language. So that should be the first position here. You have to move up if not. And then we will also check the country and region. So I will go to the United States because my keyboard belongs to the United States, and that should solve the issue. If that doesn't, then most probably it's an update that is causing this issue. So you'll have to uninstall the update. For that, right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on Windows Update. Click on Update History, go to Uninstall Updates, and then we will uninstall the update after which our keyboard is typing in a weird manner. So for example, if I install this update on the 9th of September 2024 and my keyboard is acting funny after that, I will just click on uninstall, click on uninstall, and as to prevent automatic updates, I will look for services, and then I will click on Windows Update. I will look for Windows Update. And here on the Windows Update service, I will right click on it, click on Properties, and I will look for Startup Type, go to Disabled, click on Apply, OK, and it should not automatically install the updates and your keyboard should work fine. If this video worked for you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.